This is how to make a variable product in WooCommerce, generating every variation at once instead of filling one form at a time. Start with a name and a price. Then the attributes. Color, red, blue, green. And a second one, size, small, medium, large. Now press Generate Matrix. Every combination is created at once. 9 real WooCommerce variations on a single screen. Stock and SKU go in per row, right here, without opening anything. Then you save the whole product once. Saved. Now let us look at what it actually produced. There it is in the product list. One variable product, priced from $24.90. And this is the real storefront page, with a drop-down for every attribute. Pick a color and a size, the price, the stock, and the Add to Cart button. WooCommerce starts struggling somewhere around 50 variations. This product needs 60, so let us find out. A team jersey. Name, base price. First attribute, color. 6 of them. Second, size. 5. And a third axis, material, cotton, and polyester. 6 times 5 times 2 is 60 combinations. One click. 60 variations in one pass. Not a batch of 50 and then the rest, and no dialogue counting up. Everyone is a row you can fill in, and the Auto SKU button numbers all 60 at once. Save the lot once. One product in the list. 60 sellable combinations behind it. On the storefront, all 3 attributes get their own drop-down. Color, size, and material together pick one of the 60, and that one carries the price and the stock. Here is how to add color and size variations to a WooCommerce product and get every combination of the 2 in one go. Name the product and give it a base price. First attribute is color, black, white, and navy. Second attribute is size, extra small through large, 4 values. 3 colors times 4 sizes is 12. Press Generate Matrix. And there they are, 12 variations, every color paired with every size, no form filled in twice. Each row takes its own stock and SKU. Save the product once. Now the part that matters, what the shopper actually gets. One variable product in the list, priced from $59. On the storefront, there is a drop-down for color and one for size. Open them, and every value you typed is there. Choose a pair, and the price, the stock, and the Add to Cart button all update. WooCommerce attributes and variations get mixed up constantly. So here's the difference in one product. This is a mug. Name and price first. The attribute is color. Its values are cream, forest, and rust. That is the attribute, a label and a list of values. On its own, an attribute sells nothing. It is just information on the product. A variation is different. It is one sellable combination with its own price, stock, and SKU. Press Generate Matrix, and each value becomes a variation. 3 values, 3 variations. And now they behave like separate products, stock and SKU on each one. Save once. So the rule is simple. The attribute is the question. The variation is the answer you can buy. One variable product in the list. On the storefront, the attribute is the drop-down label, and the values inside it are the variations. Pick one, and you are choosing a variation, which is what carries the price and the stock. A large costs more than a small. Here's how to give each WooCommerce variation its own price without opening 9 separate forms. The price you type here is the base. Every variation starts from it. Color: black, white, navy. Size: small, medium, large. Generate the matrix. 9 variations, all on the base price for now. Each row has a price override field. Leave it empty, and the row keeps the base price. So type only where the price differs: 39, 42, 45. The rest of the rows are untouched and still sell at the base. Save, and every one of those prices is a real WooCommerce variation price. The product list shows the range rather than a single figure. And on the storefront, the price is not fixed. It waits for a choice. Pick a size, and the price changes to that variation's own price. That is what the shopper pays. 8 variations means 8 stock numbers and 8 SKUs. In stock, WooCommerce, that is 8 forms to open. Here it is one screen. Name and base price first. 2 colors. 4 sizes. 2 times 4 is 8. Generate. 8 rows, each one a real variation waiting for its own numbers. Stock goes straight into the row. 36 olive smalls, 24 mediums, 18 larges. No dialogue, no reload. SKU, the same way. And because the field is just a text box, a barcode scanner can type into it and enter moves to the next row. Save once, and every row becomes a stocked, coded variation. The product list shows it as one variable product. And this is the part that matters to the shop. The storefront reads that stock. Choose a combination, and WooCommerce shows how many are left from the number you typed. Run out, and it says out of stock on its own. Changing the price on hundreds of WooCommerce variations is easy. Changing it back is the hard part. Here's how to do both. This catalog has 131 products and 297 items. Filter to variable products, and it says 48 products, 214 items. That number is what the change will touch. Pick the field, regular price. The operation, increase by 10%, and land every result on my 99, so nothing comes out at an odd number. Now the part worth pausing on. Before anything is written, it shows the old price and the new price, item by item. If a row looks wrong here, nothing has happened yet. Apply. It asks first. A catalog-wide write should not be one stray click away. 214 items updated. And now the reason you can trust it. Undo. Confirm again. Every one of those 214 prices is back where it started, not recalculated backwards, restored from the values saved before the run, so rounding. That is Quick Variable Products. The free plugin is on WordPress.org. The Pro add-on and the full documentation are on aaronlabs.net, and both links are in the description.